Like, be smart. Money is dangerous. Dangerous. It's a subtle dangerous too, because you not even think it's destroying you. You think you just living life. You thinking, oh shoot, I worked so hard, I can go get me some Doritos. Those Doritos are poison, Mr. Friend. I'm sorry to tell you that. That is poison, my guy. Oh, I didn't work so hard. So, oh yeah, I can come home and watch some TV. Guess what? That TV is distracting you from the real problems, from your real issues, from the time you could be spending being more productive. It's destroying you. You know how many TVs you can get if you actually start doing something productive? You can get you an 80-inch TV. You can get that TV that's built for a whole house. You didn't even know they had that, did you? Yeah, that's because you've been bullshitting, watching reality TV, watching Real Housewives of Atlanta, Hollywood, whatever. Like, come on. Like, do better, man. It's either going to destroy you or it's going to build you up.